Today our topic is motion. What is motion? Suppose this is a tree and this is the road. A car is standing at here. When this car means an object does not change its position with respect to this tree, then this car is said to be in rest. But when car change its position with respect to a stationary object like a tree, then this car is said to be in motion. Then how will we define what is the rest and what is the motion? Rest, when an object is said to be in rest when it does not change its position with respect to a stationary object, and an object is said to be in motion when an object changes position with respect to a stationary object.